Control number 3010, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Madam. I'm Imelda Cerezo, 33 years old, married with 2 children, ages from 11 and 9. I'm from province of Batangas and I'm a Roman Catholic. I studied in University of Batangas. I'm undergraduate, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
Okay, in what country do you work before?
I have been in Hong Kong for 2 years, since 2009 till 2011 as domestic helper.
Okay, why do you leave your last employer?
I finished my contract, Madam.
Okay, how big is your employer house and how many members are there in the family?
The house is 907 square feet. Therefore, in the family, the husband and wife, the children, which are twins, boy and girl.
Okay, why do you want to go to Cyprus?
I want to experience work there and to stay there.
Okay, how long do you intend to stay there?
As long as you want me to stay in Cyprus and as long as I am happy.
Okay, how many hours do you think you can possibly work in the house?
I try my very best to finish all my duties before go to sleep.
Okay, are you willing not to take day off and get extra pay?
Yes, Madam.
Okay. So do you have any message for your future employer?
If you choose me as your domestic helper, I am willing to adapt the way you want me to do in houseworks, and I follow the rules and regulations you made for me. And I try my very best to be polite and respectful to your family members and to be honest with you. Thank you, Ma'am.